Good morning, everybody. It is the next day from when we were getting the storages. We just had to get another truck because we had the other truck so packed, so we had to get a different truck. We're coming to look at these warehouses over here. Then we gotta head back to finish cleaning out them other 2 units. Well, we gotta pick up another unit and then go back and clean out the 2 that you guys seen in the video. So we're coming over here to look at warehouses first, then we have to hit the road. But the other truck is packed full. So we're coming over here to look at these warehouses. Then we gotta get back on the road and get out of here. But yeah, this is a different truck. This is a smaller truck than the one that you guys seen us have yesterday. So the other one is still full. So we're gonna get this one filled up right here. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna just pull, I guess. Yeah, so these are the warehouses, y'all. Let's take a look. I thought this one was available, but I guess not.
Yep, 100%.
They just take me this one? Or that's the, okay, I'm about to come all up in yours.
He said you put a bathroom in.
Oh, okay.
What you think?
Pretty good size. I almost went in there looking at me like.
Can we do, if we were to do it?
So this is the warehouse, y'all.
Actually, get his shoes, all of this. To here. To here. The bathroom and the office. And the rest of that would be tables or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's all online option?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do it online.
One at a time. We only do appointment only.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, we do it at our house right now, and it's hard. It's,
Because, you know, we got to come to the neighborhood.
yeah, which I think this is a warehouse, and yeah, it's pretty good space.
How long will it take to be ready?
Probably about time in the bathroom, say September 1st.
Doors.
I guess we'll get back to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for showing. Yeah, so that's the warehouse, you guys. Pretty good size.
What you think? I'm just waiting for her to come out. The lady was supposed to meet Monique.
Alright, y'all, how everybody doing? We out here to pick up some storage units. We got a big old truck right here. We gotta pick up a big unit at this one. Then we got another one to pick up, and then out this area, well, actually it's a total about 5 in the same vicinity, but in this area we're picking up 2, and then we gotta drive a few minutes away, get another one, and a few minutes from that one to get another one, a few minutes from that one to get another one. So I'm sorry I've been pumping the videos out, but I got footage, but my I had to get a new SD card. I got one today because my camera's been full, my phone's been full. So we got a lot of things coming, also auctions. And then also check out my other channel, Nini's Auto and Reviews. I'm gonna have some updates on that too, so stay tuned, y'all. As y'all see, we ain't got nothing loaded yet, so just waiting. Where the lady went. My husband's supposed to go meet her, so I don't know. I'm just sitting here waiting out here in the vicinity, so. Hurry up. I'm like so late. We have 2 more units at a private seller. Matter of fact, I need to go check on that right now. So the private seller is supposed to meet them soon, but man, we're behind on time. About to be 3 units with them. They got the little scooters right there. So they got scooters instead of go-karts. That's weird.
Clothing.
The one had like supposedly like some tools or something like that. Yeah. Y'all, so this is the unit. I just want gas with it. Y'all, so this is the unit that we won right here. You probably can't see everything in here, but this is not a private seller right here. This was a public one. Got like a chair, a lot of remote control items in here. We're gonna load this up quick, and you guys will see more once we get this back to our house, because we're on a like time limit. Damn, I should have brought 2 birds. Don't break nothing. You know how you do with the glass. Look, so I'm like, them playing. Ooh, that's gonna be some money. I'm not trying to get money. Uh-oh. I'm telling you not to break stuff. All this glass stuff. Yeah, but remember, they wait there, so they're gonna expect me to do it, and so they can get the ring. I don't know. I'm gonna carry something. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this loaded up, but y'all see everything. Y'all get to see everything fully once we get it back and all that. We're on a time crunch. So if you're not subscribed, you're watching, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for us. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. The fans up in here, y'all. Y'all, I was on the elevator and that thing stopped at 4. Then I had pressed 5 and it just stopped at 4. Nothing happened. So I was like, uh-oh. I don't like elevators. I don't trust them. I was getting scared, like I was about to be trapped in the elevator. I was like, oh man, I ain't got my phone. I ain't got time for that now. I ain't got time to be trapped. So silly. Okay, y'all, so we're back at this unit. And lots of cars, helicopters. Take a look at that right there. Pretty cool. Big trucks. Hopefully we got all the remote control. close to these things.
Yeah, stay back.
This is a packed unit. Oh, we got a little coffee table or a card table.
Stay over here, boss. Let me talk.
Some type of tattoo or barber chair.
Stay over here.
More cars. Oh, what's this? Huh.
Stay back.
Oh, whoa. Got that?
Stay back. Stay back. And he said that.
Yeah, helicopters up there, y'all. This unit is packed.
Stay back.
Why is there a walker? Somebody's walker. Somebody's walker. Okay.
Stop. Stay back.
All right, we got more remote controls in this bag right here.
I go with this maybe.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna help load up some, and get this so we can get a lot of this done. Catch you in a bit. I'm on the elevator, you guys. Had a sandwich, chicken sandwich, grilled chicken sandwich from Wendy's. There's no fries. A large vitamin water, a large Coke. Much needed. You probably can't hear me because of this part. I smell like mint up here. Minty fresh. Smells minty fresh up here. That sandwich was so good. Got vitamin water, getting the vitamin water and all that stuff. And everything that was much needed. Damn, I forgot about this.
Yeah, I'm back right now.
Huh?
I'm good.
I feel good. You had to go to the bathroom. I know how to do it. Got my shit with a wipe. Okay, we gonna make this. We gonna make it. Feet. All right, I'm gonna go down with this one. Y'all, this is what we got left in this unit.
Bring it back.
Oh, damn. Damn. Oh no.
Oh my God. There is a TV in here.
A big fat one. Damn, baby. You might need to get back together. Y'all, he done bust up the Humvee. I'm gonna put the pieces in my pocket. Yeah, to get that piece. Damn, he broke it.
All right.
That Humvee. You can put the pocket. We got a wounded Humvee. Ain't that something? Blast from the past. We're not happy that when we find those big ass TVs in there. Damn, he must have been handicapped or something. He got wheelchairs and walkers. Dang, that's crazy. Another car? Like this one? Red. Not the same. Come on, Wounded Warrior car. Look at that. Poor little thing. We're gonna get it fixed right up. Poor Humvee. Good looking junk too right here. Alright, I'm gonna take this down. Alright, you guys. Catch y'all back in a little bit. Alright, y'all. So we got planes and helicopters and all of that. And boats. And all of that. And helicopters. I dropped this one. And it messed up something. That piece goes on the back right here. And then we got this plane right here. So, and then of course we gotta make space to get all this stuff on here. I don't know what this is. Some type of, those are like the batteries and things that go to them, motors. This is quick pitch super start. This is start them or something. Some type of battery things. Empty box. Got a drum. Hit that little thing. different things in there. So leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I guess we got some tools up there. Let's take a look and see. Below. Let's see what's in here. It says, I can't even see, it's dark. What the heck does that say? Thunder Tiger. Oh, it's a plane, I think. Let's see. If this damn thing will open, the side pieces are. Okay, it's like, it's gas tanks and battery and things. That. Oh, it's like a, looks like a battery jumper, some type. We still have a bunch to fit. I'm trying to hurry up so we can get up out of here. It's hot. But what you guys think so far about this unit? We got planes and helicopters and all this things. Got a big TV to fit in here. Ugh, we're gonna dispose of that at. We'll take it to the dump, to the recycling appliance section. And we have a big chair. Like, I don't know if it's like a tattoo or a barber chair, whatever it is. It's vintage. And again, you guys see we got this big box truck. Another box truck full. This is the second one full. And we still have more units to get. We still have 3 more units to get. One smaller. But I'm gonna give y'all a hint. One of the units has something in it that has an actual engine in it. An engine. I'm just gonna say that. Anyways, you guys, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the unit so far. Everything that we've got in here. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, what y'all think about the planes and stuff, the helicopters? Some of them need repair. Like these, I've seen the front. The one for that, the front is I think over there somewhere. And it has chairs. You can actually see the seats. All this stuff could be put back in there. Some of these things are projects for people. Some need to be put back together. The boats look fine. If they had run. Some stuff is in the box still. You got like this motorcycle thing right here. And then this is in the box. It needs to be built. It's like a sailboat. It says New America's Cup Style Cut Racer 914. So that and this helicopter right there. We have some more of those. They need to be put together. And then you got like a kit, Skylark, ready control model kit. All of that stuff. And there's like pieces to put this together. That's to get a unit.
I was up there for
Yeah.
Goodbye. Bye.